Hey, what if I told you that getting rich in the stock market has less to do with your IQ and more to do with your emotional control? It's a wild thought, isn't it? We often think successful investors are geniuses crunching numbers, but the truth is far more nuanced. The key isn't raw intelligence. It's about your temperament, your patience, and your ability to remain calm when panic sets in for everyone else. Think of the stock market as a stormy sea. When the waves crash and others are swept away by fear, it is your ability to navigate with a steady hand that truly matters. It's about having the emotional fortitude to stick to your strategy, even when the headlines are screaming disaster. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. Many highly intelligent fail in the stock market precisely because they overthink things or let their emotions control them during turbulent times. They match us that, conversely, someone with average intelligence but exceptional emotional discipline can ride out the storms and reap the rewards. Consider this unexpected connection. It's often the investors who can detach themselves from the daily noise and focus on the long-term picture who come out on top. This requires a rare blend of conviction, the ability to believe in your research and resist the urge to make rash decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. What if the real story of stock market success is far stranger and more profound than we're led to believe? It's not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most emotionally intelligent. So, the next time you're tempted to react impulsively to market news, remember, your temperament is your greatest asset. Are you ready to cultivate the emotional discipline needed to honor very interested and dumsel moral, sans into and tempering and sound permissions? If you're ready to keep uncovering the hidden truths behind investing, make sure you join our community of curious minds by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. You won't want to miss what's next.